Welcome to Paper Cut Crafts. Today I'm just going to show you a couple projects I'm working on. Wasn't able to get some of my videos up, so I thought I'd just give a quick overview of things I've been working on. So this pile here was an order for a friend of mine. She sews, so she wanted some thank you cards. So just a simple design using Free as a Bird, just on the Whisper White, and I'm going to color them with the blends. So a big pile here, I'm just working on that. These two are for my customers. I do a make and take once a month. This stamp set is from the March Paper Pumpkin. It was the birthday set. It's really cute little boots. And I'm doing the double flap fold on this one. It's the same as a card that I put on earlier this month. So here's all my pieces, and when I do a make and takes by mail, I make a bunch of things and I send them to them and then do a live video with them in my group on Facebook. So this is the stamp set that I used. And then the background paper is this paper from the Free as a Bird set. I still have some pieces in it, so I just found one that worked for my card. And then we also have the ladybugs. This is a Celebration stamp set that I got this past year from Celebrations. It's the little ladybug. I also used the dies to cut up the ladybugs. And then this is the Pleasant Poppy paper that I decided to use. This is just going to be a simple card with this paper as a mat on the background. And then the ladies will just color in the ladybugs. And then the paper that I used was the Poppy Parade, as well as for the birds one is Calypso Coral. So this is my work area. It's very cluttered and I have too much stuff on my desk. But I do have this little puppy here. Well, he's not a puppy, but he likes to keep my feet warm while I'm working. So thanks for joining me, and I hope to get a card to you real soon. Happy stamping!